Full-stack Python developers in high demand. Hi, I'm going to talk to you about full-stack Python developers. Full-stack Python developers are in high demand, and there are a lot of reasons for that. Why are full-stack Python developers in high demand? There are a few reasons why full-stack Python developers are in high demand. First, Python is a very popular programming language. It's used for a wide variety of applications, including web development, data science, and machine learning. Second, full-stack developers are able to work on both the front-end and back-end of web applications. This makes them very valuable to businesses, as they can save time and money by not having to hire two separate developers. What are the skills needed to become a full-stack Python developer? To become a full-stack Python developer, you'll need to have a strong foundation in Python. You'll also need to know about web development frameworks, such as Django and Flask. Additionally, you'll need to have experience with databases and other back-end technologies. How can I get started as a full-stack Python developer? There are a few ways to get started as a full-stack Python developer. You can take online courses, read books, or attend workshops. You can also start working on personal projects to build your skills. The future of full-stack Python development. The future of full-stack Python development is bright. As the demand for Python developers continues to grow, so will the demand for full-stack developers. If you're interested in a career in software development, becoming a full-stack Python developer is a great option. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video informative. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Associative We provides IT services, Android and iOS app development, web development, website, digital marketing, SEO, YouTube marketing, social media marketing, email marketing, and market research service. Please contact us via WhatsApp at 9028850524. Email info@associative.in, website associative.in and associative.co.in.